If you're locked out of your DoorDash account and need to reset your login credentials, follow these simple steps to regain access. Step 1. Visit the DoorDash login page. Go to the official DoorDash website or open the DoorDash app. Click on the login button to access the login page. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. On the login page, look for the Forgot Password link. Click on it to initiate the password reset process. Step 3. Enter your email address. You will be prompted to enter the email address associated with your DoorDash account. Make sure to input the correct email and submit the form. Step 4. Check your email. After submitting your email, check your inbox for a password reset email from DoorDash. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder. Step 5. Follow the instructions in the email. Open the email and click on the provided link to reset your password. Follow the instructions to create a new password, ensuring it meets the security requirements. Once you have reset your credentials, you should be able to log back into your DoorDash account without any issues. If you continue to experience problems, consider reaching out to DoorDash support for further assistance.